These are some of the strangest bird sounds ever recorded, and the last one literally sounds like a machine gun. Number 1. Loon bird. With a sound like a distant ghost or crying whale. This bird's call is pure nightmare fuel in the wild. Number 2. White bell bird. The loudest bird on Earth. Its call reaches 125 decibels, sounding more like a siren than a bird. Before I tell you the last one, if you're not an alien, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. Only good humans can do it. Aliens won't. Number 3. Shoebill. This bird doesn't sing. It claps its massive beak so hard it sounds like someone firing shots in the wild.